Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are in the dazzling city of lights, Abu Dhabi, at the incredible Sheikh Zayed Festival. Get ready for a spectacular New Year celebration, complete with breathtaking fireworks and a mesmerizing drone show. I can't wait to share this magical experience with you. As we make our way through the festival, you can feel the excitement building up. There was an air of celebration, and the atmosphere is simply electrifying. As the sun begins to set, the anticipation for the grand fireworks display starts to mount. The city skyline is already a canvas of colors, but we know the best is yet to come. People were finding their spots, eagerly waiting for magic to unfold. Okay, as you can see, brace yourselves for a mind-blowing drone show. Hundreds of drones take to the sky, creating intricate patterns and shapes, and it's like a futuristic ballet, and we were lucky enough to witness it live. The night sky is set ablaze with an explosion of colors, casting a magical glow over the city. It's a symphony of lights, and we have got the best seat in the house. Sheikh bin Zayed Festival currently taking place at AlWathba in Abu Dhabi was preparing for welcome of 2024 with exceptional fireworks displays that will light up the sky over the festival area, and it is anticipated by viewers from inside and outside the country. And the festival's annual New Year's Eve celebration programs attracts Arab and foreign visitors from abroad, in addition to thousands of citizens and residents within the country to enjoy the show taking place on this occasion, which included fireworks display, artistic performances, and recreational events for visitors, in addition to various events and activities dedicated to children. Firework display was last for more than 40 minutes, breaking for new Guinness World Records in terms of quantity, time, and shape. Visitors to the festival also got the opportunity for the first time to see more than 5,000 drones, which will paint or which painted, you can say, artistic images in the sky of Al-Watba, breaking a new Guinness World Record. As you can see, the night sky is set ablaze with an explosion of colors, and the fireworks dance to the rhythm of celebration, casting a magical glow over the city. And it's a symphony of lights, and we have got the best seat in the house. As I stand here amidst the brilliance of lights, I'm reminded of the beauty that celebrations bring. The Sheikh bin Zayed Festival has once again proven to be a hub of cultural richness and technological marvels. It's a testament to the spirit of unity and progress. As we bid farewell to this incredible night, I find myself filled with hope. The dawn of a new year is not just a change in the calendar, it's an opportunity for new beginnings. May this year bring us all joy, prosperity, and adventures that leave us in. So, as you can see, this festival witnessed exceptional performances in which it broke the record for the largest number of fireworks in terms of quantity, time, and shape for 40 minutes, which provided its visitors with an exceptional experience to begin the new year. The huge drone show that soared over Al Watba skies displayed the title Welcome 2023 Welcome 2024 using drones. Sheikh Zayed Festival has unveiled an exciting roster of grand, unique, and highly anticipated events, activities, and shows in honor um, to 52nd Union Day of the UAE as well. And the festival grounds and pavilions that come alive with a dynamic array of celebrations featuring the Union Parade, breathtaking fireworks displays, mesmerizing drone show, captivating Emirates fountain performances, the international civilization parade, and assortment of cultural heritage and entertainment facilities. So you can say once again they prove that they are doing a grand fireworks for a New Year celebration. So, as we step into the canvas of a new year, let's paint it with hopes and dreams that shine even brighter. Join me as we explore the possibilities and aspirations for 2024. And I think my first hope for 2024 is a journey of personal growth. May this be the year where we challenge ourselves, embrace new opportunities, and become the best version of who we are. Let's strive for continuous learning and self discovery, and then hoping for greater global unity. Maybe find common ground, and my hope is for collective commitment to sustainability. May we make choices that preserve the environment, reduce our carbon footprint, and create a greener, healthier world for generations to come. My hope is for continued innovation and progress. May 2024 bring breathtaking, uh, you know, enhance our lives and address pressing global issues. Here's to a year of good health and well being. May we prioritize self care, mental health, and foster a community that supports each other's journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and ring the notification bell. So, as here you can see, we were heading back home, but the celebration was still going on. And here's to a year filled with wonder. And Happy New Year, everyone.